Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. I don't know if you watched the Bitcoin update today, but it's time for you to go and watch that. And very quickly, 5 more days to close the private. And if you want to be a part of it, scroll down, click on Discord, and also click on announcement, click on my name, and message me right over there. So back in my Discord, I actually closed all the open trades that I had. And this is why I say private is important. You see, right now I'm closing my trades. Some few days ago, I told you everything about Pepe. I told you Pepe has bullish divergence from moving up. And man, oh man, all the technical targets I told you is done, completed, right? No jokes. Everything said is done. But what now? What's the future now? That was history. Today is a new day, and we're looking for that mystery in the future now. So what is the future coming up to? Now, number one, I'm going to give you one little bit of resistance that is probably acting for Pepe at the moment. So you see, you broke to the downside, you went back up, and whatever was support back in the days has turned into a resistance, unfortunately. So this is a little bit of a problem. And I also think that you might actually say there's another resistance. So you can see that you're really being dominated right now at 7560. So let's say somehow you do come up to 8635, but I don't want to even talk about Pepe and why Pepe is going to, I think Pepe is going to drop from here, right? Pepe may bleed one more time. Unfortunately, this is going to hurt a lot of people I know, and it's not the problem is not with Pepe. So the problem here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a problem, and Bitcoin has a Wyckoff distribution pattern. And I want you to go to the channel, watch the 7 minutes video update that I have on Bitcoin, and then you will understand what is going to happen to Pepe, because your Pepe answer lies in the Bitcoin behavior. So do that. Go and watch that to be surprised what's about to happen next. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.